Hey, brother and sister, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Thank you for watching my content. In this video, I wanna speak how to learn English. This is Ashraful in front of you. I will not waste your valuable time because time is very important as a people. Let's go start my main topic. If you want to speak in English, first of all, you have to know enough vocabulary. After knowing enough vocabulary, you have to improve your listening skill. For improving your listening skill, you can watch any English content, you can read any English book. After improving your listening skill, you have to practice with short sentence. I'm speaking in front of camera confidently, consistently, fluently. It is not my actually luck, it is actually my hard work result. When I started my journey, that time I would study hard time every day, 4 5 hours regular. I would hard start improving my English fluency. That's why present time, now this time I am speaking in front of you confidently and fluently. Uh, as a driver, I don't have enough time for uploading my English content every day, but I will try every day from 2 days. If you want my new content, you have to subscribe my channel. This is my YouTube channel, as well as I have a Facebook page. I will share my Facebook link in the description box. If you have any problem, you can contact with me. Although I am not a good speaker, although I am not a good teacher, but I may support you. Okay. uh, Now this time I'm sitting in my vehicle on the driving seat for making English content. That's why I'm sitting in my vehicle. See you again my new English content. Okay, assalamu alaikum.